Hi, welcome to the second video in our series about enrollment. I wanted to quickly try to tackle the question about schedules because I think that is something that comes up for everybody and can sometimes get overlooked or is hard to understand with all the information that we're giving you. So we educate children from 3 to 6. Our 3 and 4-year-olds, our preschool age children, attend from 8:30 in the morning until 12:30. The pickup is actually between 12:15 and 12:30. We don't have a longer day for that age child. We're not a licensed daycare, but a school through the Department of Non-Public Education. So that's what we do for 3 and 4-year-olds. And if they begin the year on that 4-year-old schedule, even if they turn 5 in February, we're not going to move them into a longer schedule. It would be a preschool schedule for that entire year. And for kindergarten age children, they attend from 8:30 till 3. The pickup is actually 2:45 to 3 o'clock. And unfortunately, we don't have after school or before school care. We're tiny. We're kind of a micro school. So you have a lot of benefits to being small, but also the drawbacks that we don't have a lot of aftercare or those kinds of things. So hopefully this primary classroom is designed to be a 3-year cycle. Hopefully your child will come back for kindergarten and they'll be here for the longer day. Now, I know a lot of folks, when they're first looking at preschool, especially if they have a 3-year-old, are thinking, maybe I just want a few days a week. I'll tell you that in Montessori, at this age, in primary, everybody I know is doing 5 days a week, and there's a great advantage to that. They're just mornings, they're half days, and they're here consistently. It's much easier, I think, than dropping in on Tuesday and Thursday. And if they attend all 5 days, they see everything in the same order, at the same pace, that orientation type of activities and lessons and rituals are introduced to the whole class. So some of these things are sequential, right? Even though it's a very individualized system, they're not going to miss pieces along the way where they didn't see how to do apple cutting and they come in the next day and they want to cut an apple. So we hope that they can attend all 5 days, and that is the schedule. And we're not a year-round school. We run similar to Durham Public Schools, but we write our own calendar. So I'm working on next year's, believe it or not, but it'll start, mid to late August and then probably end right around the Labor Day holiday or Memorial Day, I believe. The end of May, beginning of June. Those two are tricky for me every time. So I'll get to work on that, but I wanted to let you know that there's a half-day schedule for 3s and 4s. And in that 5-6-year-old year, they attend from 8:30 to 3, and that we are not here in the summer. Now, when we can, and we're not doing improvements to the space, and we have the staffing, we also offer a few weeks of summer camp. Those are just for attending families. So once you've been here a year, you're eligible to come to summer camp, and it's really small and easy and familiar. For those kiddos that have to go to camp all summer long and keep changing, the adults keep changing the space, the expectations, coming back to farm school is a really nice kind of easy transition, and we do really fun stuff in the summer. So that's a little about scheduling. And in the next video, I hope to talk to you about the rhythm of our day. Thanks for now.